Two-faced. A sign of hypocrisy is being two-faced. This is the one who changes their behavior in order to please different groups of people, intending thereby to gain some worldly things. They speak with many different tongues, showing their support to different people, while harboring dislike for them. They fail to be sincere towards people, which has been commanded in a narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 4204. If they fail to repent, they will find themselves in the hereafter with 2 tongues of fire. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4873. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 14.
When they meet the believers, they say, "We believe," but when they meet their evil companions in privacy, they say, "Surely we are with you, we were merely jesting."
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.